Yeah, no. It's just cool. It's cool, dog. They come here after.
What's up, Holmes?
I'll take this. What's up, man?
Knock. Who's there? Aika. Aika who? Aika? You say Aika, I'm gonna smack the shit out of you. Ah, now go wipe my ass and just shit myself.
Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it.
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Hey, Dad, I'm not at work right now. I can't talk, okay? So, I have to go. Good night. Oh, okay. Good night, Daddy.
Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player.
Hello? Yo, I said good night, nigga. Oh, alright.
Guys, come and do these dishes. Guys. Shit. Guys. Die. Oh, Mom. Oh. Zoe, did I wake you? Are you alright? Are you alright? Guy, hurry up and get up, you shit.
Rich gang, love it. Know what I'm saying?
Do you reckon I can get your number? Sure. Sione, I'm your fucking cousin, you fucking dick. Oh, sure, you can be my baby mama if you want. Truth, don't tell Uncle, please.
Mariana, breezy. Yo, chick. What's that on that beat? Yo.
Bro, I got abs, man. Abs? Yeah, bro, abs. Yeah. Absolutely nothing but fat.
What? I've got a boyfriend. A boyfriend? 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 The boyfriend?
Boyfriend. Boyfriend? What? So, what's his name?
How old is he? And where does he live?
Not dead.
Hurry up, Mum, we have to do the dishes. I'll wash them and you just dry. Hurry up. Hold on, man, I'm in the toilet. Listen here, you little shit. If you think you're going to sit in that toilet until the dishes are finished, well, you're not. Every damn time we do the dishes, you want to go to the toilet. The toilet isn't going to save you today. Now pretend to finish that caca and get in the kitchen and help me do these dishes.
Hey! Did I say you touched that? Huh? You want a salsa? That's what I thought.
So thirsty. Get a drink. Yep. I'll save him some. Thirsty. What the hell?
I saved your drink.
What drink?
It's in the fridge, man.
This is a Balangi's drink, bro.
You're lucky I even saved your drink.
Aya!
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Sully, I heard you says you like Bofa. Bofa on Facebook.
The fuck is Bofa?
Both of these nuts.